Okay, start now.
Okay, this is our Pinot Noir right here. This is a little lighter, goes with everything. I tell people with chicken or beef tacos. I like it. Merlot, you get a little more heaviness to it, a little more taste. We're almost out of our Merlot, so if people like it, they need to get out there. Zinfandel, my favorite. So if you're not a red drinker, the girls like this the most. It's got a little sweetness to it, and it's got a little heaviness, but it doesn't coat your mouth like Cabernet. So it's a nice wine, and we have some whites. So are you going to try some wines?
All right. Okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, come on, try some. You're drinking beer like me.
So say
Let me tell you a little bit about
say what winery you're from and then where.
We're from Winter Hawk Winery. We're out on Sassoon Valley Road. We're over there by the Gomer School, right across the street. Every Saturday we have a blues band. We have free Chicago-style pizza. We have a great group, and we always pour all of our wines, all 9 of them right now. I think we're getting ready to release a 10th, and then we pour you a full glass. It's a great time, and it goes from 12 to 5 o'clock every Saturday.
Okay, great.
Rain or shine.
Great, I'll have a glass of white.
Okay.
I'll try one of your
What?
whites.
Sauvignon Blanc or Chardonnay?
I'll have a Sauvignon Blanc, please.
Pour you some and enjoy. Look at this.
It's your action shot.
Oh, yeah. I like that. You're going to drink beer and wine. Best way to go. Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.